Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see how to make Domino's style veg taco mexicana, which will be very tasty, and with available ingredients at home, you can make this yummy and interesting recipe. So let's get started with it. To make the veg patty, you will need a bowl of kidney beans or rajma, which I have soaked for 6 hours. And now I will pressure cook the kidney beans to make them soft. Transfer the kidney beans to a pressure cooker. Add half teaspoon of salt now. And we will pressure cook them on medium flame for 5 to 6 whistles until they are soft and tender. In the meantime, we will prepare the dough for the tacos. For that, take a bowl and add 1 cup of refined flour or maida, half teaspoon of salt, around 1 tablespoon of refined oil. Now I mix everything together. Add water bit by bit. Mix really well, and we need to knead this for a while until we get a soft dough. So our soft dough is ready. Apply some oil. And we will cover and let the dough rest for 15 minutes. By now the kidney beans also has been cooked. They are soft now. And now into this I'll be adding a bowl of cooked rice. You can also use leftover rice if you have in the fridge. So add them along with the kidney beans. And now we will season them with half teaspoon of salt as per taste. Half teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of dry red chili powder, some chili flakes, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, juice of half a lemon, 1 small bowl of finely chopped coriander leaves. Now mix everything well. Break the rajmas or kidney beans slightly into small pieces, but don't completely mash it. This is done, and now we need to make small balls out of it. To make the balls for the patty, I'll be using an ice cream scooper so that all the balls are of equal shape and size. So in this way I had prepared all the balls for my patty. And now we need to make a batter to coat the patties. For that, take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of refined flour or maida, a pinch of salt for taste, and some water to form a batter. Add the water bit by bit and see to it that the consistency of the batter should not be too flowy. So the batter is ready. To make the patties crispy, we need some breadcrumbs. I will season the breadcrumbs with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now mix all this with the breadcrumbs. Now first coat the patty with the batter. And now coat with the breadcrumbs. Coat all the sides of the patty. In this way I will prepare all my patties. Shake off the excess. So I have finished preparing all my patties and now I'm going to keep them in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'll prepare the harissa sauce. For that I have taken here some veg mayonnaise, around 3 tablespoons. Along with mayonnaise, I'll be adding around 1 tablespoon of tomato chili sauce, some sweet chili sauce, and little bit of Tabasco sauce. Now mix all this together so that they are well combined. I'll be adding some more tomato chili sauce. Give a mix and our smooth harissa sauce is ready. And now time to fry the patties for our tacos. For that, heat a pan and add sufficient oil. And when the oil is hot enough, add the patties one by one. And we need to fry them deep golden brown on both the sides. Till the patties are getting fried, we will roll the dough for our tacos. Knead the dough for a while. And now we need to make medium-sized balls out of it. The same size when we make balls for rotis. So I have got 4 balls out of the dough. You can get 5 balls also if you are making the tacos of smaller size. Now take one ball, dust some flour and roll the way we roll roti. Let's shake the patties now. My first batch of patties are fried deep golden brown. I'll flip the remaining patties and fry them the same way. Next, heat a tawa and place the taco sheet. And when small bubbles appear, flip the other side. Now we need to slightly roast only one side of the taco sheet well. So this is done. Now apply the harissa sauce on the side which has been roasted slightly. Apply the sauce generously because this gives a very good taste to the taco. Sprinkle some grated cheese. Now place the veg patty and fold it. Now brush some oil on top. Sprinkle some oregano and chili flakes. And now our taco is ready to be pan fried. Brush 1 teaspoon of oil in a frying pan. Now gently place the side of the taco which has been sprinkled with oregano and chili flakes. Now again brush some more oil on the side facing up. Sprinkle some more oregano and chili flakes. Now gently flip the side. golden brown on both the sides. You need to fry this flat side also, for which you need to place the taco in this way. So my taco is now ready and shallow fried from all the sides. So I have finished preparing all my tacos and now I'm going to arrange them in a serving platter. And here goes my Domino's style veg taco mexicana. Do try this tasty and interesting recipe. Also very soon I'll be bringing to you all Domino's style non-veg taco mexicana. So stay tuned. Also share your feedbacks, and if you like my today's video, then do subscribe to my channel for more such yummy recipes. Also check out the links of my other recipes in the description section of this video. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.